We're going to walk you through how to get live animated wallpapers on your PC for free. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. You might be bored with your current static wallpaper, or maybe you're still using the default one, just like I am here. So let's jump right in and see how to change that. To do this, we need to install an app. Open a web browser of your choice. I'll be using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. The app we're going to install is called Lively Wallpaper. Go ahead and search for Lively Wallpaper. Make sure you visit the official website by Rox Danister. Once you're on the site, you can scroll down and read more about the app if you want. When you're ready, click the Windows Installer Download button. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store if you prefer. Now just wait for the download to finish. You'll see the progress in the top right corner of your browser. Once it's done, click on the file icon and double-click the installer. A setup window will pop up. I'm going to install it for all users, so I'll select that option. Choose your language. I'll select English, then click Next. Read through the license agreement, click I accept, and then press Next again. Choose the install location, click Next, choose whether you want a desktop shortcut, and click Next one more time. Now click Install and wait for the process to finish. It shouldn't take very long. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and the app will open automatically. As you can see, Lively already comes with several animated wallpapers. For example, I'll click on this one, and just like that, the background changes instantly. Now, you might want more options since the default ones can feel a bit basic. So let's add a custom live wallpaper. Open your browser again and search for Motion Wallpapers. Click on the first result and you'll find many different animated backgrounds. You can browse through categories or search for something specific. I personally like anime, so I'll choose that category. Once you find a wallpaper you like, click on it, scroll down, and hit the download button. After it finishes downloading, go back to Lively. In the top right corner, click Add Wallpaper, then choose Select File. Go to your Downloads folder, select the file, and click Open. You can give the wallpaper a name if you want, then press OK. And just like that, your new live wallpaper is active. That's it, you're all done.